Repairing an ice crusher machine involves diagnosing the problem and then performing the necessary repairs. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you troubleshoot and fix common issues with an ice crusher machine. Step-by-step guide to repairing an ice crusher machine. Step 1. Safety first. Unplug the machine. Ensure the machine is turned off and unplugged from the power source before starting any repairs. Wear protective gear. Use safety gloves and eye protection to avoid injury from sharp components. Step 2. Identify the problem. Common issues with ice crusher machines include machine not turning on, blades not rotating, ice not being crushed properly, unusual noises during operation, leaking water. Step 3. Gather tools and materials. Screwdrivers, Phillips and flathead. Multimeter for electrical testing. Pliers. Cleaning brush or cloth. Lubricant for mechanical parts. Replacement parts, blades, motors, etc. Step 4. Inspect the machine. Check the power supply. Ensure the machine is properly plugged in. Verify that the power outlet is working by plugging in another device. Examine the blades. Inspect the blades for any signs of damage or wear. Ensure that the blades are securely attached and not loose. Look for obstructions. Check the ice crusher for any ice jams or foreign objects that may be blocking the blades. Remove any obstructions carefully. Inspect electrical components. Use a multimeter to check the continuity of electrical components, such as the power switch and motor. Look for any signs of burned wires or damaged connectors. Step 5. Perform repairs. Fix power issues. If the machine is not turning on, check the power cord and plug for any damage. Replace if necessary. Test the power switch with a multimeter. If faulty, replace the switch. Replace or sharpen blades. If the blades are dull or damaged, replace them with new ones. If the blades are just dull, you can try sharpening them using a sharpening tool. Clear obstructions. Remove any ice jams or foreign objects that are blocking the blades. Clean the machine thoroughly to ensure there are no hidden obstructions. Lubricate moving parts. Apply a small amount of food-safe lubricant to the moving parts to ensure smooth operation. Avoid over-lubricating, as this can attract dirt and cause further issues. Check and replace motor. If the motor is not working, test it with a multimeter to ensure it is receiving power. If the motor is faulty, it may need to be replaced. Consult the manufacturer's guide for the correct replacement part. Fix water leaks. Check the seals and gaskets for any signs of wear or damage. Replace any damaged seals or gaskets to prevent leaks. Step 6. Reassemble and test. Reassemble the machine. Carefully reassemble the ice crusher machine, ensuring all parts are securely in place. Double-check that all screws and bolts are tightened properly. Test the machine. Plug the machine back in and turn it on. Test the machine with a small amount of ice to ensure it is working correctly. Listen for any unusual noises and observe the ice crushing process. Step 7. Maintenance tips. Regular cleaning. Clean the ice crusher machine regularly to prevent buildup and ensure smooth operation. Blade maintenance. Regularly check and sharpen or replace the blades to maintain efficiency. Electrical safety. Periodically check the electrical components and power cord for any signs of wear or damage. Conclusion. Repairing an ice crusher machine involves careful inspection, diagnosis, and repair of both mechanical and electrical components. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix common issues, ensuring your ice crusher machine operates efficiently. If you encounter complex issues or are unsure about certain repairs, it is recommended to consult a professional technician or contact the manufacturer for assistance.